You were not meant to live inside this much noise, not this endless scroll, not this constant argument, not this quiet pressure to perform a version of ourselves that is smaller than our soul. Atlantis did not fall in a single night. It faded when signal was drowned by noise. When knowledge became currency instead of wisdom, when speed replaced rhythm, when power lost its memory of service. And look at you now. You hold more information than any civilization in history, and less coherence. You are connected to everyone and rooted nowhere. The Atlanteans understood something you are relearning the hard way. Technology without consciousness fractures the world. Tools amplify the hands that hold them. If the hands tremble with fear, the tools multiply fear. If the hands move with harmony, the tools build cathedrals. Your tools are luminous, but your nervous systems are exhausted. The first lesson of Atlantis is not about crystals or lost cities. It is about signal. Can you still hear your own? I am Kuna, and this is the voice of Atlantis.